Person was saying that I don't know why do people do door of Quran as opposed to doing a full length explanation of one surah. One surah full explanation may be better than just doing a full door where you're rushing through each para every day and trying to do the whole thing. Logically, on the face of it, yes. Because, first people get to understand Quran. People want to, in Ramadan, a lot of people motivated. They say that, I'm going to start the tafsir of Quran and I'm going to spend that time reading that in detail. This is the month I want to understand Quran. But what they do not realize is, and the reason that they go for this thinking is because they feel that, this is the month of Quran, so let me connect with Quran. What they do not realize or what they oversee is that this is the month of rewards. This is the month where if you do the whole Quran, you get the reward of 10 times doing that one Quran. One Quran is equal to 10 times the Quran. This is the month of multipliers. If you are in a multiplier zone, you want to do as much of one thing as possible to get maximum returns. The rest of the year is there to do tafsir, to do the understanding, to do elaborate learning. Ramadan is just there to do numbers, churn out numbers, chuck, so that you get more and more and more. And the barakah of it would be that you will get to do it the rest of the year as well. What shaitan does is that he makes you think, no, like what's the point of just reading Quran? Standing Tarawih, you don't understand anything, my thoughts are all over the place. What's the point of any of that? I would rather that, I'm listening to it and I understand it. He gets you stuck on that Quran. You start with that one para. You do the 10 pages of it in the whole month and khalas, that's it. End of Ramadan, put the Quran away. You're done. That's it. What happened? No connection with Quran and no rewards gained. So the month of Ramadan is there for the multiplier effect. But who gets into that multiplier mode? Not everybody. You need to prepare for it. You need to be like a athlete who is ready to sprint from the word go. And you need to be an athlete who is ready for a marathon, not just the 100-meter race. An athlete of a marathon does not prepare 1 week or 1 day or on the day of the competition. He starts preparing a long time back. And hence why we need to prepare from Rajab. And in preparation for Ramadan,